Forgotten username recovery failed on eToro fix. If you've been locked out of your eToro account because you forgot your username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by trying to guess their username or using an old email that isn't linked to the account. The surprising truth is that eToro now primarily relies on your registered email for account recovery, which makes the process simpler than you think. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Go to the eToro login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address associated with your account. eToro will send a recovery email that contains your username or a secure link to regain access. Step 2. If you no longer have access to your registered email, gather your full name, verification documents, and recent transaction details. eToro support uses this information to verify your identity and help you regain access safely. Step 3. Once you receive the recovery email, follow the instructions carefully. If it doesn't appear in your inbox within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folders. Step 4. If the above steps fail, contact eToro support directly. Explain that your username recovery attempts have failed and provide any verification details requested. Their team is trained to guide users through secure recovery efficiently. By following these steps, you regain full access to your eToro account and resume trading without stress. The key takeaway is that a forgotten username isn't permanent. With your registered email or proper verification, eToro makes recovery straightforward.